Imagine you have access to a host of tools like Microsoft PowerPoint, and yet you fail to present your ideas effectively. Well, you're not alone. Over 75% of mid level managers with over 10 years of corporate experience struggle with this essential skill. Good presentations are not just about sharing information, they are about influencing business decisions, inspiring action, and leaving a lasting impression on your audiences. Join me as I teach you how to make impactful presentations. Hi, I'm Suman Addepalli, Director and Faculty Partner at GlobalGyan Leadership Academy. Through self-reflection, delivery method analysis, peer critiques, and personalized feedback which will help you get rid of common mistakes, this class will prepare you for the ultimate test, that is presenting in front of your colleagues and your seniors. Take a look at what our past learners have said about our program. Elevate the presentation skills of your team today by enrolling them for this game-changing program that will skyrocket their professional journey.